Yeah, so here's the D-Series portal. So like we talked about in the video, we have the feet where the portal gets bolted down are breakaway, right? And then here we have the tablet mounted to the portal, but you know, in most of our use cases, we put this up on the fork truck. There are situations where they hand load trucks and then we will mount it to the portal. The stack light right here, it's indicating, right, that the door is shut. We use a retroreflective photo eye to determine when the door is shut. Shut the antennas off. This is a big metal reflector. I don't want to leave that on and read everything out in the zone, right? In the staging zone. The system as a whole is all ran on PoE, which is, when we talk scalability, very important. Just run a network drop here with PoE and you don't have to send any AC power to the door. The tablet that we use is also PoE driven. That's, you can use any tablet. We just do that because we like to stay in that space. So the other big part of this is how we interface, right? How do we give that feedback to the driver, right? So that it's actionable and he can make a decision when he's loading that truck, hey, is this supposed to be here or not? And we do that with our SLS View mobile application. A big key component of our SLS View application is it's built around GS1 standards, right? So we require all of our customers to follow a GS1 standard. Very simple for us to decode your tag and understand what it is. We can do that at a case level, a pallet level, an item level. Colynn's talked about this a lot in his videos, is that GS1 standard for RFID moving into the future is very important. As a company, we've made a shift since really 2018, 2019 into requiring that, or at least pushing very heavily for our customers to do that. This application, I can toggle through here and there's 51 different things you can do on the application to date. There'll be 52 tomorrow, I'm sure. You don't have to see all those, right? We can fine tune that down to what we want that forklift driver to see. Most of them shipping and receiving, right? So I can ship it by item. So I can say, hey, this pallet, as it transitions through here, I want to know, let's say there's apparel items in there. I want to read every single apparel item as it transitions through a dock door, right? If I want to create that shipment by container, I can put an RFID tag on each box and I can just read that as it transitions. Or I can take and I can put a master pallet label on this pallet and just read that as it transitions, nothing else coming through, right? So really, we use that a lot for our solution design. If I have to read 800 tags as they transition through the portal, sure, let's do it, we can do it. We have the capabilities to do that, right? And I think really what that shows you is, our systems can kind of dial into the specific use case and customize to the specific use case to, do we want to read, 1,000 tags as they transition, or do I just want to read the pallet level, or anywhere in between, right? And that's a key component in creating a successful solution for our customers. So here you can select, so this is, I'm in SLS HQ, what shipping door I'm on door 3, so I have that all selected. If I was at door 2, I would just click here and change that. And then we scroll down, let's go to shipment, shipment by order. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to select a shipment just to grab an old one. This is our demo instance. So this is going to pull an order from a demo order, right? And the reader's running. We've blocked the photo eye just for this demo. And you can see it's expecting 4 different products and quantities, right? So I expect 8. I've only shipped 7. So you have not an alarm. You just have an alert, right? On product B, you have expected 8 and I've shipped 11, so we're alarming on that, right? That alarm's already happened. This is an older demo. Product C, I'm 8 for 8. It's good to go. That one's good. All right, so we're gonna grab a tag that's not expected on this load, a box that's not expected on this load, to show what that alarm looks like. When I put something on this truck that's not meant to be here, what's the interaction the fork truck driver's getting? First I'm going to show you though is when I put this box right here, I'm at the edge of the dock plate. This is attempting to read and we're not reading that tag, right? As I transition in, we're still not reading that tag. As we make that full transition into the zone, we get that tag read and the driver gets his alarm. So this alarm is telling him, hey, you put something on the truck that's not meant to be there. I confirm that alarm, shuts that off, and now I look and go, okay, I have it says a case label because it's the demo. This isn't expected on the truck. I can go in here and I can remove that. If I can hit the button, right? And now that's no longer an issue, right? And I can go and I can place this back in my staging lane and I can load it in the proper vehicle. All right, so now we're going to show you a demo of a pallet being loaded on the truck. The door, once the door opens, the light will turn green. It'll be ready to read. And again, the important side of this is the control, right? If I have a solution, if I'm at a customer, and if I'm reading tags out here, it's very difficult for me to control the solution, right? There's going to be fork truck traffic here. There's going to be people going in and out of these doors. For us to have a successful solution for a customer, we require that we need to not read anything until it goes onto the dock plate, right? And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it from your angle right now, we still haven't read any tags. As we transition closer, so we're still not reading any of the inventory on this pallet. And then right there we're getting our first reads. And then all 21 pieces, all 21 boxes are shown here now. So then if I finish this shipment, so this is just a shipment where I'm not managing the contents. I'm just saying, here, load this pallet, load this truck until it's full and let me know what I loaded. When I complete that now, you'll see on this screen here, I can select the destination it's headed to. I have the truck number, I have the route number, and I can submit that up, and that's that shipment, and it's complete.
So there you have it. This has been another RFID industry interview, this time featuring Smart Label Solutions, SLS. I want to thank them for hosting me here today, and a special thanks to Matt Smith for participating in the interview today. So make sure you check out their website and all the things that they do on a regular basis on their website. I will link the SLS website so you can look into what they have to offer, all of their products and everything. But as always, make sure you leave some comments below on what other RFID topics you want made simple.